In this video, I'll show you exactly how to embed a PDF right inside an articulate storyline slide. This is a practical step-by-step guide you can follow even if you're new to using web objects in Storyline. In Articulate Storyline, before anything else, save your project. I have already done this, but just to be sure, I will click on the save icon once again. And now we need to create a new folder on our computer. So I will go to the File Explorer and I have already done this. I've called it my PDF source, and it's in my Articulate projects folder, which is inside of my C drive. Open this folder and then paste in the PDF you want to display. I'm going to copy it and then paste it right here. And you can see that this is the PDF I want to display. And now we need to create an index.html file in this exact folder. And to do this, you can open up Notepad or any other text editor. You can see that I have an empty and untitled file right here. And into this, I will paste the HTML code that I will also provide to you in the description of this video. Yeah, you can just use this code. The only thing that you need to change is right here. The source needs to be your file name. And I know that mine is PDF1, so I will just type in PDF1 right here, and then it's pdf1.pdf. So you need the extension, and then you need to save this as index.html. So I will click on File and then click on Save As, and then I'm in the right location. So it's in the My Articulate Projects folder and in the My PDF Source folder, and it needs to be right here. And under the file name, I can just type in index.html, and it has to be exactly this title. And when I click on Save and then navigate back to the folder, you can see that this is now an HTML document. And now we will go back to Storyline, and this is the slide where I want the PDF to appear. And I will just click on Insert and then click on Web Object. Now I need to select the folder. So I will go to My Articulate Projects. I will click on My PDF Source, and then I will click Select Folder. And just make sure that it's checked Load Automatically and Display and Slide. And what's very important is to uncheck Scale with Slide. This prevents some blur that will show up if you click on Scale with Slide. And just click on OK. Sadly, we can't preview this because Storyline's preview won't render the web object, but we can just click on the Home tab and then click on Publish, and then choose from the options that we have here, for example, Review 360 Web or LMS. And I will just pick LMS, leave everything as it is, and click on Publish. And then I can click on View Project to verify that this is indeed working. I have my Storyline project right here, and the PDF is displaying. Now you might be wondering, if I publish this, I pack my SCORM package and then upload it to an LMS, will the HTML and the PDF still work? Will everything still be there? And I can just say yes, because Storyline includes your web object folder. And to verify this, you can just go back to Storyline and then click on Open here. And then the output opens up, and if you click on Story Content and Web Objects, and then on this Unique ID folder, you can see that it contains the index file and the PDF file. And this will be part of your SCORM package automatically. All right, that's it. I hope this helped you move forward with your project. If you found this useful, please consider subscribing. This channel is all about practical tips for e-learning creation. Thank you for watching and see you next time.